morning. Today we are going to learn abdominal ultrasounds. So this is entirely application of ultrasounds in imaging acquisitions. So this is you are going to learn it here. We'll see it one by one. So what you are seeing here is it is called ultrasound. That we can say that this is abdominal ultrasounds. So here, abdominal ultrasounds are very useful to diagnose the intestinal any infection or any ulcer is there. We can easily view it with the help of a sonogram recording. So here the abdominal ultrasounds are used to check the major organs in the abdominal cavity. These organs include gallbladder, kidney, liver, pancreas and spleen. So these are all can be viewed with the help of these sonogram recording. So in fact, if a man between the age of 65 and 75 and smoke or used smoke, so the Mayo Clinic recommends they have to go for ultrasound to check for an abdominal aortic aneurysm. So that is that regarding this one, they are viewing the internal organs. So here usually when we see, consider here there is an abdominal ultrasound. It has no risk. It unlike what we can say means like when you take X-rays or CT scan, it is having a risk. But here ultrasound has no risk. So ultrasound use no radiation also, and which is not harm to the human body. So which is that's why the doctor always prefer to use them to check the on developing the babies in the pregnant woman. Okay, this is highly used. And fetal ultrasound imaging provides real-time images of fetus. So the fetus movement also we can easily identify with the help of these sonogram images. So through the picture which can be existing keepsakes for a patient to be. So here ultrasound, it is Food and Drug Administration trusted sources advise to parents to have the ultrasound scars only when there is a specific medical needs. So nothing is gained from the exposing the fetus to necessary extra ultrasounds. So that FDA advice, that is Food and Drugs Administration advises against these keepsakes. This one. Okay. So there is no evidence that ultrasound imaging and heartbeat monitor causes any harm to fetus. So yet the doctor still cannot be sure that there aren't any longer terms risk not been identified. So ultrasound can heart tissues in abdomen which is slightly, and in some cases it can make a very small bubbles in some tissues, and in a long term effect of these aren't no effects. So that is we can say that here. And what we can say means, so we'll go to the next here. So you are seeing the ultrasound view of abdominal aortic aneurysm. That is easily seeing that. So abdominal aortic aneurysm has been, this is the monochrome images in the right hand side. Left hand side is called that is colored image. Okay, that is the color have been added. With the help of that one, they are seeing that you are seeing here is one bubbles in a abdominal spleen, near to the spleen. So here an abdominal ultrasound is done to view the structure inside the abdomen. It is a preferred screening method for abdominal aortic aneurysm. So here a weakened bulging spot in the abdominal aorta you are seeing in that diagram here. So the major blood vessels that supplies the blood to the body, that also you can see that in that ultrasonogram colored image. So however here the image test is may be used to diagnose or rule out the many other health condition can be suggested by the doctors. Okay, doctor recommend an abdominal ultrasound to screen an abdominal aortic aneurysm in men at the age of 65 to 75 who are current or former cigarette smokers also they are identifying it. So if they are never smoke also they can go for a abdominal aortic aneurysm screening. It isn't recommend for men and women for the healthy people. So unless a doctor suspect the patient may have an aneurysm or the patient have a family history of aneurysm, they have to go for these abdominal ultrasound. So here the abdominal ultrasound can help the patient, that is patient doctors sees many organs in patient's abdomen, and doctors may recommend these tests if patient have a problem in any of these body areas. So a main purpose, blood vessels in abdomen can be viewed, and gallbladder, intestines, kidney, liver, pancreas, spleens also can be viewed with the help of these abdominal ultrasound. So abdominal ultrasound can help the patient and doctors to evaluate the causes of stomach pain or bloating, blood clotting or bloating, and it can help check for the kidney stones, liver diseases, tumors and many other conditions. So that is the doctor may recommend that the patient must have the abdominal ultrasound if patients at a risk of abdominal aortic aneurysm. So a one-time abdominal aortic ultrasound screening is recommended for men between the age of 65 and 75 who have smoked at least 100 cigarettes during their lifetimes. So routine screening for abdominal aortic aneurysm isn't recommended for women, and also it's unclear, that is if a man who have never smoked may be benefited from the ultrasound screening for an abdominal aortic aneurysm. Thank you for listening to the class.